Gamers, gear up, because your pets are about to join your Final Fantasy party. Square Enix has officially turned one of gaming's most iconic weapons, Cloudstrife's Buster Sword, into a scratching pad for cats, and yes, it looks absolutely epic. At 55 centimeters long and detailed with classic materia orbs, it's the ultimate upgrade for any cat with main character energy. Stand it upright as a full-on scratching post, or lay it down for casual clawing. Either way, it's fit for a furry hero. And if your best friend barks instead of meows, don't worry. Square Enix's Buster Sword Rope Chew toy is finally available for dogs who dream of limit breaks and belly rubs. Meanwhile, over in the Dragon Quest realm, the iconic slime has transformed into a pet stroller, perfect for heroic walks through the park or side quests to the vet. The Buster Sword Cat Scratcher slices in at 9,900 yen, roughly $66. The Rope Chew toy? 2,970 yen. And the Dragon Quest Slime Stroller? 69,000 yen, with a deluxe version priced at 77,000 yen. All items are now available for pre-order through the official Square Enix online store, with shipping slated for September 2025. Your pet's inventory just got a legendary drop. Whether they claw, chew, or roll into battle, this is one item drop you don't want to miss.